Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it, and all you have to do now is simply tap on the three dot icon, which should be in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history option, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. If you want to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappears. But if you want to remove let's say advanced browsing data, simply tap on clear browsing data right here, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and after tapping on advanced we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. If you want to be sure that something will be removed, just make sure that it is marked. So simply tap, for example, on saved passwords. It is marked, so it means that it will be for sure removed. What's more, you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. Let me remove also the autofill form data and site settings, and if you are ready, tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we successfully removed all the browsing data. So actually that's all. This is how to clear browser in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.